Hi, I'm Sonia from Just Women's Business, and I want to show you a cool trick on how to keep text and graphics and things that go pear-shaped on your template really easy in Canva. So I'll just X myself out. So you'll notice I've got a graphic and two lots of text here, and sometimes you'll have them a bit all over the shop. So all what you need to do is just highlight or grab them all together, go to position and go center, and then that has popped them all perfectly in line. But then if you group them again and just drag them across, that purple or pink line that appears means then it's totally in the center of that template. So I'll show you in this option here. Sometimes we like to put our Instagram and your email website with the little logo, and I'll just make it a bit bigger to show you. So if you have like your Instagram logo and the link or the handle to it, sometimes just aligning them can be like really hard to do just freehand. So what I like to do is, firstly, you can grab all just the icons and go position, and I just like to go right align, and then that way, and then move them maybe across so they're perfectly in the right hand side. Then if you have all your links, try and drag them as close as you can, grab them again, go position and go right align, so then they're pretty close to in the same line as the icons are. And then what you can do is go click on the Instagram icon, hit shift on your keyboard, click on the Instagram wording, and then I don't hit the group but go to position, and if you hit middle, which it doesn't need because it's saying it's perfectly aligned, so I'll do it with this one. So I'll click on the email icon, hit shift, click on info or the wording, go to position, go middle, and it will make them perfectly aligned. So same with the website icon and the website wording, so hit shift and it says it's perfectly aligned. So when they're like that, then you can like gather them all together, and then that's when you hit group. So gather them all together, hit group, gather them all together, hit group, and then when you have them like this, you can just move them along. And if you want to group that as well, then that becomes a whole separate like text box on its own. If you want to keep them separate, then you go ungroup, and so I think, yep, they're all ungrouped. So that's just a phone number. So with this one, I created a QR code, and sometimes you like to just sort of give people the option to scan and they can go to your website, but to get it aligned, I just do the same thing. Well, actually, I'll put the little line underneath. We group it all together, go to position and go middle. No, not middle, sorry. Center for this one. This one's actually center. So then that aligns it all together. So if we group it and then drag it across, that purple line will come up, and then it's perfectly in the center of your template.